Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we have finished for inserting a new record into the database table by using the post from parameter, which allows a user to control the post they want to insert a new post. And in this video, we are going to learn to display the dynamic content by using PHP MySQL. Let's first start by open a web browser, and we need to insert some record for the database tables. We are on this product title. We want to name this desktop Apple and select categories. Say computer and select a brand Apple. For image, we route to desktop and to eCommerce CMS or exercise file. We file admin folder, product images folder, file desktop Apple here. Alright, I select to 200, $400 and the option. Let's buy this is gray product and finding the right laptop has never been easier. The keywords I put desktop Apple and insert new product. You say product have been inserted successfully. We go to the PHP my main page and check out. It's on a browse tag and we need to see it's had insert into database table desktop Apple and broadcast when there's some error here. It will not insert into broadcast or when we come back to insert product.php file and insert product.php file. We use PHP command. It means this is not execute a syntax for script JavaScript. We save the file and on the location hit enter. We let's say desktop Dell and select a category. We are computer and this is going to be Dell. Product image. We will choose the product images in the exercise file and desktop Dell here. Alright, we set this to $400 and this send also this is gray product and finding the right laptop has never and that would have been easier. As keywords, desktop, yeah, and list on the insert bar once again. Block have been inserted, and I get some error syntax here. Insert block on line 109. We come back to a texture and find online 109 reference. It's we go up to the reference selected here, and I got some error here. So need to change it to product brand. What's product brand? Let's say the file and go to web browser. We load the page. Product have been inserted successfully. Let's try another desktop. This is Toshiba camera, and select cameras when Toshiba. Browse to and fix image. See file Toshiba. See, and price set it to $100. Listen, this is gray product and keywords Toshiba cameras, and click on set again. We come back to the texture, the PHP my main page, and check out. This is on the browse text. So we have Toshiba has set and set it into the database table, and the product brand also inserted with the ID 6 product card. This were not inserted. We come back to the texture, and inside the insert product.php file, we request post title. We go to the product category and see copy this name, and we go down here and paste that. Let's save the file and go to insert product, insert box, and hit enter. This time Samsung camera, and select camera when Samsung. Browse image to see Samsung cameras. I came and right set it to 100. This is gray product and keyword select Samsung camera. Let's insert. Now have been inserted successfully, and we go to the PHP main page. Let's check out. Here This on a browse tag. You can say Samsung cameras. This block brand ID is equal to 4 and broadcast true. It has inserted into the database successfully. Let's delete so you go to the insert product page and insert desktop Apple. We choose computer and run Apple. While desktop Apple here. We set it to $400. The price using this is Ray product and finding the right laptop has never been easier. This is a desktop Apple and insert. Now we insert more product desktop Dell and this is a computer. Sẽ run Dell. Route to Dell desktop image and right set also 400. This is Ray product. Finding the right computer has never been easier. This is desktop there and insert more. We go to PHP MySQL. Let's check out. Yeah, inserted into database table. Desktop there, desktop Apple. We are going to display the dynamic content by using the PHP and MySQL. To that, we come back to the TH and index the PHP file. We go to the bottom of the sidebar ID. Down here, we are going to create a div tag with a attribute ID. This is and call this content. Let's call area and area location div tag. And inside the content area ID, we continue to create another div tag. See, it should be div and attribute ID. Name this to product. And it's called box. And class and closing div tag. Inside the product box ID, we put a PHP code. And inside the PHP code, let's create a variable get. It's called pro. This is equal to SQL syntax select from products order by random. This means random and limit We create another variable run row. This is equal MySQL query function, and put a variable con and a variable get row. We use a while loop function. Row is equal to MySQL fetch rate, and give this a variable run row value. And inside a while loop, we create a variable row ID. This is equal to variable row and key product ID colon. Another variable is going to be row catch, and this is equal to row with a key product catch. Okay, you can see, and this is a rocket title. We come back to and create another variable row brand and row see rock brand and rock brand. Row title. This is row title. Title. We put another variable row price. Equal to row with a key. We come back price title price variable. Another variable we need to create. This is going to be row image equal to row product image. Now we jump down field line and echo variable row title. We set the file and go to web browser. In the location bar, let's delete this and hit enter. You say desktop Apple subscriber and desktop there. It has like in a home page. This is damage content. We got three line, two title, desktop Apple, Samsung camera and desktop Dell. We come back to the texture and this is we echo Inside this, we give this div ID. This is equal to single product. Inside the single product ID, we put a h3 tag. This is going to be a variable title and allocation tag. We save the file and below paste once again. I got some error here. Index online 107. We come back to index file and file put a semicolon here below paste. Let's see. Let's come down line and create another div tag image. Let's see. This is equal to admin area / product image and variable pro image. See 180 high HPU. This is going to be also 180. Location div tag here. Now we save the file and check out website. We load page and say this will display on the home page, image and title. We come back here and some down line we put a p tag followed by a bold tag, and this is going to be a price with a $sign variable pro price. And we add another a tag followed by h. This is equal to details.php and with a pro ID. This is equal to pro ID and details. We save the file and below we see detail and pro ID equal to 13. We come back to th and another a tag. This is going to be a h and index.php and variable pro ID. Inside the I tag we put a button tag and style flow right and to flow button and let's save the file reload the page once again. You see Chuka here. Okay, we stop right here. In the next video, we will use CSS style for the dynamic content on the home page. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.